posters of the parties we ought to vote for. Though we are careful as we vote, though we say we'll never stop fighting, after every 5 years our elders vote because they believe that tomorrow will be better than today. But the fact is, yesterday is better than today. I'm losing on the word freedom that define meaning that matters. I'm losing on the promises that were made by the parties we vote for and now shattered. I just weep without any reason. I'm unaware of any season. Why did we have to suffer this much? Is it because we are black? They say freedom is what I have to fight for. They give me hope, but still I can't cope. I'm losing. I'm lost. It's like I need a compass. But the question is this the future that we want? No one can answer this question except us black African people. For it is my dream to build and complete a legacy that will forever remain an inspiration to the next generation.